baby girl, what's happening? Showing your ass invited.
Okay, hello everyone, I'm back and I'm back to recording on the Canon G7X. I've had a few issues. It's kind of put me off of filming. I was trying to work out the focus and how to make it look good, and I just don't think I could figure it out. It's just been making me feel really anxious, which will bring me to what I'm doing in this video. Obviously doing more vlogging on this will make me feel more used to it, so you'd think that I would just keep doing it, but I just keep feeling really like overwhelmed and horrible. Like I seriously have like my heart like drop in my chest for some reason, and it just feels like it looks horrible and I'm fucking it up, and like did I just waste 200 bucks on this even though I got it at the op shop, which is actually a really good find. But still, back to the point, I've just not really been in the mood. Rachel has a Canon G7X Mark II, so I know that it's not horrible, like it is a good camera. Haven't even reviewed any of the footage from the dog park. For all I know, it could actually be really good, and I think after I film this I'm gonna have a look. Speaking of feeling overwhelmed and anxious, I am going to the Natural Bridge today. I just feel like I need to start seizing my days off because I always just stay home and do chores. But yeah, I've never been, so I thought it would be really nice to come and just check it out. I got the camera, so hopefully things will go good. Now let's get to what we're wearing. So we got Sunny pastel green shirt, got some white cord shorts, and then just some white shoes with white socks, and of course corduroy tote bag. Get yours today, energybygene.com.au. As you can probably see, I don't look super overexposed anymore. Isn't that crazy? And I keep looking at the viewfinder. I'm really sorry, but I just want to make sure that it doesn't change back. I found this little like windy wheel thing, and it had like the pluses, like +1, +2, whatever, and like the negatives. And I was like, oh yeah, that'll darken it. So I tried using that and nothing was working. So I was like, oh, obviously maybe it's just for photos. I don't know. And then I saw this little thing, so I tapped it and it popped up with like basically the wheel but on the screen. And I put it on 0. So I think the last person that was using this camera, they had it set on 1.5 or something. So I put it back on 0 and it's looking a lot better now. So I'm already feeling much more confident and comfortable. But anyways, let's get shit done.
Let's ride.
We are now here in the car park. We actually didn't think we were going to get a spot. It's pretty busy here today. Then as we were kind of going through, a car just pulled out and we absolutely finessed it. So now time to actually do the walk. It should be really quick. Hopefully it's not too busy. As I said, there's a lot of cars and a lot of people that have been walking down there, so we'll see how it goes. But either way, sure, it'll still be beautiful. Let's go, Jamie Lee.
Which one have we got?
Probably just here. I'm pretty sure that's just like a little lookout thing. It's actually pretty cold down here. I was like, maybe I should have brought like a jacket. And she's like, no, I wouldn't do that. Like, look at her, she's in her swimmers. She's like, I'm gonna have a swim though. I'm like, no, you're not. You can just hear it. Yeah, it's so pretty. Haven't even gotten there yet, but it's so relaxing and so nice. Feeling very good, definitely what was needed. Although I actually thought it'd be a lot quicker, which I'm not mad about because it makes it a bit more of an event compared to if it was just like 5 seconds and then we're done. But it's been good. Jamie Lee's loving it. Can't see her, but I'll work on the focus one day. But anyway, feeling much better about today. That was actually really good, like so much bigger than I expected. I thought it was just gonna be like a tiny little thing. But that waterfall that we saw first, that is freaking huge. And all the water coming in like crazy, so beautiful. I wish there weren't as many people, but that being said, it's a public holiday, so what can you expect? You literally get to go into the cave, which is sick as. What did you think?
Yeah, it was great. Really good.
Grouse. Anyways, now we're gonna walk all the way back up to the car and I'll see you later. Check out this tree. That's so sick. We just stopped in at this cafe. I actually did some filming here for a show once upon a time, quite a while ago. So we thought while we're here, we'll stop, we get a coffee or something, have a bit of fun. Let's go. Jamlee, the MILF herself. How you doing, baby? We got some food and some drinks. Drinks are pretty good. About to try the food. You excited?
Very.
Look at that, she's very excited and I cannot wait. Okay, hello everyone. It is now Wednesday. Last time you saw me was on Monday. I'm actually going out to dinner tonight with some friends, so I thought I would just do like a little bit of videoing just because why not? Like I'm literally doing something, so I may as fucking well. This is my outfit for today. Feeling a little bit cheeky. Just got a white wife beater, some sunnies, some, I was about to say trackies, some like, I don't know, pants, dress pants, trousers, and some shoes. I am actually going to be wearing a shirt over the top of this. I just am a bit warm, which I may take it off during the dinner anyway, but I'll put that on real quick. quick. Okay, so this is it with the shirt on. So really this is going to be the completed look, but as I said, it's a bit hot and I'll probably end up taking it off anyway, so it doesn't really matter. That being said though, at the moment I've got these glasses, which I doubt I'll be wearing, but they're just brown and kind of match with the pants, so I thought I'd wear them. But I definitely am curious. Sorry, I know I keep looking in the viewfinder, I keep going but I need to not do that because that's up here. I need to look at you guys. But anyway, I'm really tempted to swap to my work glasses. These are some glasses that I have that I just wear around, and I accidentally took them home, so I'll give you a little look. They're kind of just like your average speed dealers or like dad glasses, and for some reason I actually like love them. I'm tempted to wear them over the other glasses because I just think they look so sick for some reason. Like they don't even match the outfit by any means, but like something about it, I just feel like I'm in business. Like I'm so tempted to wear these. So comment below or just like let me know which one you prefer, because I'm gonna check with Ada because she's coming over and then we're heading together. Okay, here with Ada, she is now here, and she literally brought me flowers and some for Imi as well, which is so cute. So I got her nothing. I'm giving her a lift, so maybe that'll do it. But she opted for the speed dealers. Don't know if you can really see them on my head. This is how I'll be looking tonight. I will not be bringing the camera because I am going to Burley and I don't want to get too many weird looks that I'll be filming on the phone.
There'll be people there vlogging.
No, so real. Can you imagine? I can't though. I cannot. But we will be going. So stay tuned.
Several days later.
I am back in my room. I actually don't know how long it's been since I last filmed. I kind of have this really bad habit of just like filming a little bit and then shutting the camera off and not coming back to it for like weeks, and then just like doing it again and being like, hey. And I wasn't gonna do this, but I just went op shopping, which I was considering filming, but I was like, no, I can't be bothered. Just because I was going by myself and I was like, nah, like I'm not in the mood for whatever reason. So anyway, didn't do that. And then I started doing Snapchat videos showing everyone what I got, because I love doing like little hauls to all my friends. And I was like, why not just do this in the vlog and just wrap up this video? Which I haven't started editing, haven't looked at any of the footage, don't know if it's even good, don't know if I'm even gonna upload it. But I was like, you know what, who fucking cares? I haven't uploaded anything since my Sydney vlog, and I think I did that in like Feb, which doesn't matter because I can upload whenever I want. Like this is literally my channel, I can do what I want, but I just thought I should do that anyway. Also, side note, got a haircut, literally looks the exact same. Yeah, I just got the mullet recut. I'm trying to figure out what I should do next, because I like went through a really long period of my life where I was like too anxious to ever like change my hair, and I was getting like so stressed out every time I go to the barbers. And so now I'm finally at a point where I'm like, let's fuck this shit up. But I don't know what to do because I don't really want to dye my hair. I don't mind bleaching it, but just something about colored hair. Like there's nothing wrong with it, but just personally for me, like I just shivers, gives me the ick. I was considering just like growing it out, but then you have like the awkward hair stage, and I think like it might look bad. I'd probably look good with it, let's be real, but like I just, something about it, don't know. I could also do the buzz cut and bleach it again. Maybe that can be my routine, buzz cut to mullet, and just back and forth. But I'm kind of liking it at the moment, kind of loving the curls, the color. Would like it if it was a little bit lighter. Obviously my regrowth and shit's a little bit dark, but like it's still kind of blonde. Anyway, without further ado, here is my haul. I went to, I believe, 5 different op shops, maybe 6. Wait, 1, 2, 3. No, it's definitely, wait. No, it was definitely 5, sorry, anyway. So this is my $95 op shop that I got today. Starting off, this is in no order. I don't know what stores these really came from. I just have a big pile from where I threw them from when I did my last haul on Snapchat. So let's just do this. So I got a Nirvana shirt, and I don't know if anyone is gonna be like, name one song, and I'm like, the one that they used in Batman. Something in the way. I don't know, I just like the way it fit. I kind of like the colors, and I'm like, who gives a shit? Do you really have to listen to a band to wear a shirt? Like, come on girls. Then I've got this Guess shirt, which is nice. For some reason the logo kind of gives me like basketball vibe, like Spalding I think is the brand. I don't know, it just reminds me of like when I was a kid, and I would like, it reminds me of when I was a kid and I would like play sport. I don't know. Must I say more? Then we've got this Gazman vest. I actually was not gonna buy this, it was 15 bucks. Looks pretty like primo though, like good condition. Just love the color, like something about this blue just had me in its clutches. Like I actually could not get away from it. And I was just thinking like I could wear this with like a white long sleeve shirt, and I think it would look so good. And also when it was on the rack, it looked really big. Like I was like, even if I wanted to buy that, like it's not gonna fit. And I tried it on and it's like the perfect size. Like you could not fault it. This red jumper, this looks so like nice and vibrant on the camera. I don't know how this is gonna look in real life. So I mean, I don't know how the footage is gonna look like on a computer, because on here it looks so nice, but even like my face, I look so red all here and even on my neck and stuff. Like the colors just pop. Like like so much. So I don't know what it's gonna look like in reality, but there's this. Because why not? Next we have an Adidas original shirt. I'm kind of over Adidas. Like I think that was very like 2016. Like that was literally what everyone was wearing. Everyone was running around in their superstars and wearing their shirts, and it was very like black, white and blue. Like that was the vibe, and I was so into it, which makes me feel sick. But it was the time. At the time it was iconic. Now I'm like, sick help. But yeah, I got that. It was nice. This bitch sent me back $30, and if you op shop, like $30 is obscene. There are jackets that do cost a bit of money. I don't know why they always seem to mark them up, and this is one of them. So it's this big black jacket. It's like a, I'm trying to get this to focus. I don't think it's really working that well, but it's like a corduroy material. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it to focus, but it's just this like black kind of big corduroy jacket. It's almost a little bit too big, to be honest, but it was comfy and nice and actually warm. And we're coming into winter, and today it literally was like 11 degrees, and I went to the gym in the morning and I was freezing my nuts off. And literally, weirdly enough, this happened to me at Splendor as well. On the Bureau of Meteorology, the bomb, it literally said that it was like 12 degrees, and then it goes, feels like 5. And I was just like, okay. Like when I went to Splendor, it was like 16 degrees, feels like 6, and it's just like, how is that possible? Like how is there a 10-degree difference in what it is and what it feels like? But either way, I've got this. It does have a bit of a busted zip. I'll see if I can maybe get a bit of a close-up on that. So like the actual like part that you like grab onto and pull has been ripped off. It still works. I tested it in the shop, but it's just a little bit annoying. To be honest, I mostly plan on just wearing it unzipped anyway. Like I'm not someone that really zips up my jackets unless it's like blisteringly cold. Then continuing my jacket craze, because again, winter is coming. I got this jacket, which I'm not really into these jackets anymore. Like the are they varsity jackets? I don't know, they give me like American senior vibes, like, you know what I mean? Not really into them anymore. There was a point in time where I ate this shit up. Kind of liked how it had like the fake leather. Like I don't know, maybe that's really disgusting, but something about seeing it on a jacket I kind of like. And it's really fucking comfy. Like this is like the most comfy piece of clothing I've ever worn. Like I put it on and I was literally like, I don't want to take this off. And it's not too heavyweight. Like it would still keep you warm, but it's not so heavy that like you can only wear it once a year when it's like -5. Not that it gets that cold here anyway. The coldest it'll get normally through the day is like 8, but still. And last but not least, I got this, which is kind of giving like sport shirt in a way, like soccer. And normally I wouldn't buy this, but something about like the collar and how it just ends here, I really liked. It gave me like collared shirt vibe, and it just was like nice and comfy. Like I could probably even wear this in summer or like when it's warmer, because it's very breathable. So I was like, why not? Who fucking cares? I think it was like $6. So like, okay, why not? I thought it was cute. May as well buy it. I was trying to get the camera to focus just then, and I accidentally pressed a button and then it just like stopped recording, and I was really scared that it deleted all that footage. But it's still there, so we win. That's my haul of $95 that I spent. Yeah, that's kind of it for this video. Like I really don't even know what this is. I guess in a way it was kind of just me like getting used to the camera, starting to get back into vlogging and just like feeling a bit more confident. I've been feeling alright lately. Sometimes it's a bit of a mission. That being said, today I actually did a lot by myself and I felt really nice. Like my anxiety was so bad for a period of time. I could not leave my house by myself. Like I could not do anything. I couldn't go shopping. I couldn't go to the barber. Like it was so hard for me to do that. And even when I was there, I was feeling so anxious and uncomfortable. Like it was just such a bad experience for me. And then today I got up, we went to the gym and whatever. I got ready, booked my appointment, went to the barber by myself. Didn't feel anxious at all. Felt really comfortable. I was talkative, whatever. Had a good time. Got my hair cut. Went and fueled up the car. Something about fueling up your car at a servo, especially one that's on like a main road, which is where I normally fuel up my car, it just makes me feel uncomfortable because there's so many people in the cars and I just feel like they're all watching me all the time and judging me. It made it really difficult for me, but I've like gotten past that now. Like I'm just comfortable doing it. I've even done it in like my work uniform, which is something I never really thought I would do, because even though like it doesn't matter, like even I see people in their work uniform and they could work anywhere, like I don't give a shit. Oh yeah, like lol, just fueling up after work, like it doesn't matter. But for me, it just feels like everyone's judging and like, oh, where do you work and what's this, and just like the voices will not stop. But I did that, went into Churn Park, filled up with some like reverse osmosis filtered water, which is nice. Came home, we chilled out for a little bit, cleaned Rachel's Airbnb with mum. Oh, and then I went op shopping. I made myself an iced latte just at home, and then literally went op shopping, and then that is the result that you just saw. So hopefully you liked it. Getting better. I may be going to Melbourne this weekend. Don't hold your breath. I still don't know when I'm gonna upload this. I haven't transferred any of the files across. I haven't planned any editing. Don't know what it's gonna be called. There is lots of mess around this video. I think I'll post it because who gives a shit? It's not like really anyone's gonna see it at this point in time anyway. Like I think my most viewed video is my nose job video, which has I think like 500 views, and everything else has like maybe like 60. But why not? Have a bit of fun, get back into it. I think that's all from me. So maybe expect a Melbourne vlog. Anyway, I'm gonna leave it there. Thanks for watching, if you've actually watched this far. And I guess I'll see you later. Bye.